what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base box for the month of June 2021. So if you want to know what I got in my box, then just make sure to keep on watching. And of course, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing because it is very hot in here. I am starting to get super hot. All right guys, so this is what the box looks like. This is gonna be my base box. I am still waiting for my premium box, so hopefully it arrives soon. So we're just gonna open this together because I'm super excited to see what we got in this month's box. This is what it looks like once you open it up. And this is the theme for the month. So this is a little card and it is the Express Yourself theme for the month of June for Pride Month. My variation is the letter C 22060008-BA. So I'm so excited because right on top of my box, I do see that we got a Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer palette. And I get super excited every time I get makeup. That is what I look forward to. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up really quick to see what this palette looks like. So the packaging looks very pretty. A very nice packaging. It's like a rose gold, like cardboard, I would say, with gold letters. And this is the Pro Series. This is an eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the inside. I am liking these colors for fall, not for fall, for spring and summer. They're super pretty. It has like these really nice mattes. Ooh, that one's very pretty. Very nice shimmers. I am so excited. Ooh, that shimmer one, it felt super creamy and buttery. So I'm so excited to try this out. Let's give this one a swatch. Oh my god, this one looks like it's gonna be very pretty as well. Oh my goodness, look. So here are the swatches, if you guys can see them. The metallic ones are super pretty and vibrant, and the pigmentation is definitely there. I'm excited to get into this palette. And of course, it also does have a little mirror in the back. So I'm excited for it. This is a very nice palette for spring and summer. I am so down for it. Okay, so far we're off to a great start with our makeup item. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to something else. Let's move this out of the way. Up next, I do see this box here, and this is a turmeric brightening polish. So this is for your face and your body. So what the heck is this? I've never heard of this brand or seen it, but it's something for your body. So let's see what this is. Face and body. Turmeric brightening polish. So maybe for the shower, let me open it up. It might be like a scrub. It does have a little seal on there, guys, so that's cool. I like that. It's nice and sealed. Oh, okay. It does have like little beads. So let me rub this on my hand to see what the texture is like on this item. Oh my god, it feels so good. It has these really small little beads, if you guys can see it. Oops, that finger had the eyeshadow on it. But anyways, it does have like the little exfoliating beads, which I think that's really good. You always want to exfoliate your body during the summer. The spring and summer is very good because it takes off all of like the dead skin cells on there, and it just polishes your skin. It leaves your skin really nice and soft and smooth, and then you can moisturize it, and then you could add some fragrance, and then that'll help like the longevity of a fragrance if you do wear fragrance like during the spring and summer days. Oh my god, it feels really good. I'm excited for that. I will definitely be putting this polish to use. This is really, really cool. I've never heard of this brand, but I do really like the product that's inside. So I'm excited to jump in the shower and exfoliate my entire body. Also, exfoliating is really, really good before you tan, if you do tan during these times. Really, really good. I'm excited for that one. All right, guys, so this is what we have left. Okay, so we have 3 items left. So we're gonna take this one out. And this is a Complex Culture Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. Oh my God, that's so cool. So this is gonna be really, really good if you're like on a computer or if you're on your phone. So it's gonna help out with the blue lighting. So it's a defense mist. I would probably use it as a, so here's the component. I would probably use it like as a setting spray. Okay, so it says, hold the bottle 6 inches away from your face, close your eyes and mist evenly. Use anytime you need to hit, refresh and instantly feel rehydrated or hydrated, revitalized and protected. Ooh, I love that. Okay, so let's see what the mist looks like. Okay, there we go. So let's try it out, guys. It has like a smell. It smells like bark to me. I do instantly feel dehydrated, not dehydrated. I feel hydrated when I spray this. It just feels very refreshing and I'm excited for it. The component's really, really nice, really good. So it's gonna help out with any of that. I'm excited for this product. I really like it. And we have 2 more items in our box. This box here is a little beat up. I don't know if it was supposed to be like that or not, but hopefully everything that's in there is okay. So let's take it out. So this is a lipstick pencil. It's like a crayon. And I believe this is gonna be the shade right here. So it looks like a rosy color. Okay, so there's that. The pencil looks really nice. So it's by Moonlit, I believe. Ooh, okay, so here is the color, guys. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I'll swatch it right here. All right, so to the touch, it feels very nice and creamy and buttery. And the color is super pretty. It's really, really nice. It's like a berry color. So I'm excited to try this out. I love me my makeup items. I'm not like super hyper about the color, but it is a nice color. And it definitely feels like a really great quality. So I'm looking forward to using this lip liner. And then we have one more item left in our box, which is this one here. So this is by Dr. Brandt, and this is a black light primer. So it's gonna prime, blur, and glow your skin. This is what it looks like. So it's like a primer maybe before you put your application for your makeup. Let's try it out. Okay, so it does have a really nice sheen on it. It's very, very light, so I'm okay with that. Because once you blend it out, I'm pretty sure you won't even be able to see it. The consistency of it feels very nice. I actually like it. I'm excited. I will definitely be putting that to use. I will be trying these items out tomorrow because I have a full face of makeup. I just got out of work. But I'm excited. I'm really excited for this primer. It feels really, really good on the skin. The texture feels really nice. And then the little sheen, the little color, it kind of like blended out once you apply it to the skin. So yeah, I'm super excited for this box. I cannot wait to get into it tomorrow. Hopefully I can get a video up for you guys. I'm using all these products. Anyways, let's go ahead and go over each and every single item to see how much they retail for. All right, guys, so first off, the Violet Voss Sun-Kissed palette, which is this one right here. This one does retail for $37. And then we have the I can't say the name of it, but the Turmeric Brightening Polish, which is this one right here. I will be trying this out tonight, and then I'll update you guys with an upcoming video of how this polish worked out for me. because I'm excited for this. I cannot wait to use it and like exfoliate my entire body, you know, take off all those dead skin cells. So yeah, this one right here does retail for $38, which is body care. Then up next, we have the Dr. Brandt Black Light Primer. And this primer does retail for another $38. Wow, okay. Then we have the Complex Culture Beauty. So it's the Filter Out Blue Defense Little Mist. So this one right here, it feels like super, super good on the skin. It did hydrate my skin instantly as soon as I used it. This one does retail for $32. And then lastly, guys, we have the Moonlight a little lip liner, and this one right here does retail for $18. Let me add it all up, and I'll tell you how much this box retails for, and I'll be right back with that. Okay guys, so I am back. So the whole value of my box, it does retail for $163, which I think it's totally worth it. I am loving my box. I am definitely looking forward to using this mist. I absolutely love this palette. I will be creating an eye look with it, and I'm excited for it because we do carry Violet Voss at Sephora, so that's amazing that they sent this out to us. I am liking the little primer here as well because I kind of use this. It's like a skincare makeup item because it could be very well used, very versatile. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I like the lip liner. And I am so excited about this turmeric scrub. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you guys can be part of my YouTube family. And that's going to be it for today. I hope to see you guys on my next video, and have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.